Welcome to our guide on barbell maintenance. Properly cleaning and maintaining your barbell ensures its longevity and performance. Let's learn the step-by-step process to clean your barbell effectively and keep it looking and functioning like new. Start by gathering your cleaning tools, a nylon brush, a soft cloth, barbell oil, and a small container for any debris. Examine your barbell for rust, dirt, or any stuck particles. Pay attention to the knurling and sleeves. Using the nylon brush, scrub the knurling gently to remove dirt and debris, and make sure to reach every groove. Wipe the barbell handle with a damp cloth to remove sweat or grease. Dry it immediately after. If you notice rust spots, apply a small amount of oil and scrub gently with the nylon brush. Clean the sleeves using a cloth to remove dust and maintain smooth rotation. Apply a light coat of oil to the barbell and wipe off the excess for a polished finish. Congratulations! Your barbell is now clean and ready for your next workout. Regular maintenance ensures a longer life and better performance for your barbell.